Hi squad, welcome back to the channel. So being a first time mom without a nanny, oh my goodness, it's been a journey. Between feeding, changing diapers, healing, and just trying to rest, it's hectic. But cleaning felt like a luxury I can't afford. So over time, I found simple cleaning and organizing tips that actually worked for me. Things that made me feel a little less overwhelmed. And today, I'll be sharing 10 practical tips that help me keep my home livable and calm even with a baby in my arms. So let's do this. So every morning I do a quick reset. I make the bed, open the windows, and wipe down surfaces. It's simple, but it shifts the energy for the whole day. Even when the rest of the house is messy, this one space keeps me grounded. If it's your first time being here, if it's your first time coming across this page, hi, my name is MAWA and welcome to my page. So here, I share my journey as a first-time mom, the beautiful, messy, and everything in between. From real-life motherhood moments and postpartum life to home organization, beauty, and everything self-growth and glowing. It's all in here. If you love honest, cozy, and inspiring content, then this is the right place to be. Don't forget to subscribe and join me on this amazing journey. So I have closets or baskets in random rooms that I toss random stuff when I don't have time to organize. Maybe toys, clothes, bottles in this place. That helps me to deal with the stuff later when I have the time, and to also have clear space and clean space. So when baby naps, I set a 15-minute timer and I just go. I wipe, clean, fold, sweep, vacuum, organize, any kind of cleaning or any kind of organizing you needed to do, maybe for a specific room at a specific time. This helps me to feel very productive without burning me out. Especially in the kitchen, I wash dishes while I am cooking, wipe down spills immediately, and clear counters before I leave the room. It makes such a difference, and still focusing on clean spaces. Instead of trying to clean everything at once, I focus on one room each day. Monday could be the kitchen, Tuesday could be the bathrooms, Wednesday could be the bedroom, and so on. So it keeps this manageable, keeps things manageable, and I still feel like I am making progress, still having clean spaces. huge. Do not aim for perfection. I had to remind myself a clean house doesn't mean a perfect mom. Some days the house will be a mess, and that's okay. My baby is healthy, I'm doing my best, and that is enough. So focus on yourself, work on what works for you. Just make sure you're comfortable and at peace. Have your cleaning kits available somewhere near you. You can either have them in every room, you can have them in maybe one specific corner. You can just reach for them anytime you need them. For me, I have them in every floor. I have the jig, I have Omo, I have every cleaning supply, maybe the basic ones, in every place that I can easily reach them. Declutter your space as much as possible. Declutter your closets, declutter your kitchen, declutter your house, baby stuff, anything that you feel you can organize, do that. Anytime it helps you to have a clear mind. It helps you to feel more comfortable around your space. So any chance you get, declutter. Lastly, normalize multitasking. You can have your laundry running and cleaning your utensils at the same time. You can have your laundry running and cleaning your house or organizing your space at the same time. I make sure that I have like 3 cleaning loads per week. That is, I wash my clothes 3 days in a week. This helps me to have lesser laundry to organize and lesser load, lesser task, anything to make your life simple. So by the way, if this is your first time hearing this voice, my name is MAWA, and thank you so much for watching till this point. So those are my 10 go-to cleaning and organizing tips that have helped me survive this season. Quick power cleans to daily resets and realistic decluttering hacks. No perfection, just peace. If you have any mom hacks, drop them in the comments. I would love to learn from you. And let's survive this season together, one basket and wipe down at a time. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with another mama who needs it. Don't forget to drop your own mom hacks in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Check out our previous videos. They are amazing. We learn, we grow together, and everything motherhood, self-care, self-growth, name it, we do it here. And you're doing an amazing job. Thank you so much for being here. Until next time, adios.